Hello, in front of me I've got Asus ROG Phone 7. In this video I'll show you how to cast screen from smartphone to TV using YouTube app. In the beginning make sure that both devices are connected to same Wi-Fi, and then on your smartphone enter YouTube. Press the screencast button located on the top of the screen, and now select your TV. Now when both devices are connected, you can play any video you want on your smartphone and it will be displayed on the TV. If you want to stop the connection, again press this button and select disconnect. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.